at Mi Tierra, we're going to be showing everybody how to make tamales. We have our corn husks right here that you're actually going to have to pre-wet them. Make sure you leave them in there for about a good half an hour to an hour so that they're not completely dry when you start folding them, because then they're going to start breaking apart. First, what we're going to do is when we grab our hoja, which is what we call the little corn husks, we're going to make sure that we feel for the soft side. So when you feel for the soft side, it's going to feel different from where it's outside because it's the hard ridges. Make sure that it evens it out. We're going to grab masa, which is what we have right here, and start spreading it down so that it spreads out evenly. If you can't spread it evenly, just try to do it as much as you can. The reason why I only went up to halfway here is because I'm actually going to have them folded down. And I don't want it sticking out too much to where the point where it's just going to start breaking apart.
You can always rip off the dry ones and like tie it around at the end. You don't have to.
Literally, my whole tamale is just gonna be masa. That's it.
Hey.
Once you have it nice and spread out and evenly, we have our fillings that you can either make. Right now we have chicken and we have our pork fillings right here. You're gonna pick whatever kind of filling you wanna do with it, and then just get a nice spoonful of it in the middle. If you put too much, it's not gonna fold out just right. Once you're done with your filling, you're just gonna fold it in and fold it in again. If you get nice and messy, that's fine. Once you're done and you fold it in, you're just gonna fold the top down so that we keep it in its place. After that, you just put them in the steamer and you're good to go. I'm gonna do it nice and even so that they can stay nice and tight. So when you put them in the steamer, they won't break apart. If you're doing about a good dozen, you're gonna do about an hour to 2 hours tops, so they can fully cook through and you won't have any raw masa slipping out.
That's too big, dude. Just tear it. Just tear this.
Like I said, if you're from the north, you're gonna find this kind of tamal. If you're from central Mexico, you're gonna find more of this tamal, this wrap. If you're from the south, you're gonna find more of this tamal, this wrap. So it's kind of like the same filling inside, but the wrapping is where it's gonna determine where you're from. Because if you're more north side, it's gonna be more like the traditional way we see it here in Texas. But if you go more central, that's where you're gonna get this candy wrap. Or more south, you're gonna get more of this, but in a banana leaf. So that's why it all depends on what region you're from. That's how people do their tamales.
I've never seen it.